Imagine being able to control your crypto directly from your phone or browser without needing to even trust an exchange. That's the kind of freedom I'm about to show you. Whenever we talk about finance or crypto-related videos on this channel, please always do your own research before investing because these videos aren't financial advice and we're not financial advisors. Let's get into it. Now, if you haven't heard of MetaMask already, it is one of the most, if not the most trusted crypto wallet worldwide. It can also be attached to Ledger, which also makes it even more secure. And it's trusted by millions upon millions worldwide. What's really cool is that MetaMask works as a mobile app as well as a browser extension. It goes ahead and gives you full control of your private keys and, consequently, your cryptocurrency. It's extremely easy to send and receive cryptocurrency straight from your MetaMask crypto wallet. Again, whether it's on the browser version, on your laptop like I'm on right here, but I also have it on my mobile too. It's super handy, and I actually use it every day. You can even go ahead and swap tokens within the actual app itself, within the wallet itself, which means you don't have to rely on exchanges anymore. It can all be done in a private manner, non-custodial. It's extremely beneficial, and quite frankly, you're quite crazy not to have one. It enables you to connect seamlessly, if that's what you want to do, to dApps such as Uniswap, or if you want to invest in NFTs, platforms like OpenSea. It's really easy to do that. There's no extra accounts needed. Just log in, connect, and get trading and working with your crypto. There is local storage of keys and very strong security for your password and recovery phrase. Oh, just a quick extra tip on your actual seed phrase. Make sure that when you do start your MetaMask wallet for the first time, it will give you that seed phrase. I would recommend writing it down on paper. Make at least 3 copies and store them safely somewhere in your house or maybe in some secure locations. What I wouldn't advise is writing those actual seed words anywhere down where there is an internet connection present at any time, because then you can actually get your wallet hacked, okay? That is the same for any wallet like this. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the 3 dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in BotSol. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YT Ranker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look. And bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck, BotSol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So, what are you waiting for? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. And just remember, folks, by using MetaMask, no one can get into your wallet and control your funds. You can control them. This is very different to a centralized exchange where it can be more easily hacked, more easily frozen and shut down, and you have to work through customer support to potentially try and get funds back. This is a lot more about private and sole ownership in a non-custodial manner. And before wrapping up, I'd like to also say it doesn't just support Ethereum anymore. You can get chains like Polygon, BNB, AVAX, Arbitrum. So no matter what chain you have crypto, NFTs, or you're doing DeFi stuff on, you can use MetaMask for it. It's also very easy to add new custom tokens, perhaps from like a new whitelist or a new meme coin that you've just jumped into. So folks, if you want true ownership of your crypto, whether it's NFTs, trading, or even DeFi, MetaMask is the key. Download it now, take charge of your assets, and start trading today. All the links for MetaMask will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, comment, hit notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to help you better your finance. Catch you next time.